Welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and this is a 60-second snapshot. We are in New York. We're about to go to Junior's for some cheesecake. This business started in the 1950s and it is very famous, and you can get a slice of the famous cheesecake here at this very popular location just off Times Square. And you can read all about the history on these wall boards around the restaurant itself. But enough of talking, let's start eating. Bring on the cheesecake. And here it is, and there you go, a couple of slabs of cheesecake in New York, a 60 seconds in Junior's famous cheesecake shop. We'll see you soon.